You told him you'd be back?
That's it.
Oh, go sit. You can sit. He thinks she has to do what they do.
A cow.
What?
A cow.
Roscoe, his tail? Now don't sit where Peter peed. Has Peter got a tail? You trying to get her tail?
And a leaf off her
butt.
butt.
A leaf on her. Hurry, get it! Get her! Now you can get it. There you go. Thank you. Good job.
What's it? A cow.
It was on her tail. Thank you for getting it off of her tail.
Buddy. A cow.
It was on her buddy and her tail. Does Bristow have one? No? Is he wet? Oh, you're sitting on your tail? You got a tail too? You got a tail? Where's your tail? Is it back there? You got a tail back there? Let me see your tail. There's your tail. There's your tail. That's Peter's back.
Be
Your
nice.
doctor? That's his ears, right? Tickle, tickle. You like Bristow? You want him to hold you. What's he doing? He's biting the weeds. Hold you?
He's hungry.
Oh, is he hungry? Oh, I'm glad you caught that. I couldn't. Are you going to eat this too?
How's it taste?
Is it good? I don't want any. You go ahead.
Tastes good?
What is that? It's a motorcycle. It's a motorcycle. Going up the road. There's a motorcycle going down the road. Wow. He's gone now? Honey, he's gone. You can't see, he's gone. He went way down the road now. He's gone. You can't see, baby. He's gone. Honey, we can't. He's gone. A motorcycle or a bike? Well, oh, way down the road? He went way down the road.
Sophie.
This is probably down the road, motorcycle. Down the road, yeah, Papa.
Well, let's go.
Motorcycle went down. Okay, you going with Papa? Be careful. These are new insurance cards, dear.
Okay. Where'd it go? Where'd it go?